Good morning, Darlene here.
Ron here.
We're at Defam Adventures, and we're fixing to take a little adventure for a couple of days. But first, coffee.
Always first coffee.
Be back soon.
Darlene and I decided to do a quick getaway, so we went to Biloxi, Mississippi. Once we arrived, we needed to stretch our legs, so we went into Boomtown Casino. And while we were in there, look who we ran into. Richard No Pants Profits. We spent a little time with him. Good guy. We sat there and played craps, played roulette, played even some slots, and just basically talked. He was passing through. We just spent a little time together. It was a pleasure meeting him. So this is where we're staying for a couple days. This is the Palace. It's on the Back Bay water. We'll show y'all the inside. We're going to do a tour later. But over on the right hand side is a parking deck. So it's covered. As you can see, there's a shuttle that runs. I think they said it runs every 30 minutes, but don't quote me on that. One of the things we like about the Palace is that it is Biloxi's only smoke-free casino. With us not being smokers, we didn't really want to just be sitting in that smoke smell all the time. And you don't in all the casinos, but we're really not sure about the rooms. So this is why we like the Palace. So they didn't want us recording on the casino floor, so we're not going to be able to show y'all that. But what we are going to be able to do is show you where the pool is, the pool area, and the on-site buffets and everything. And so let's go see that now. The pool's going to be down this hallway. I so hope that I picked that up on my phone. Somebody just let one fly. All right, so we're coming out on the 3rd floor. Now we're gonna go to the car. So we're to the left of the hotel. Basically, we're walking over to another elevator to go down to the pool.
Serious?
Mm-hmm. So you get off the 3rd floor elevator. Absolutely.
Hi.
Now you're going to end up on YouTube.
Probably 2 or 3 times. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Here's our 45-minute guy here. Yeah. You know, 45 minutes. Yeah, make some match. I've already finished that match. Put the stuff together. And then you have to mark off what you wanted. That's tofu.
All right, guys, we've made it in. We're staying at the Palace, and we are on the 8th floor, 804. It's got a magical door. It just opens whenever it's touched. So we got a queen standard. You have two queen beds. First thing we did was turn the air up because it's kind of warm down here. Lots of storage space, bench seating for your suitcase, 3 drawers for your drawers. Got the mini fridge, lots of counter space for your computer and everything. Got charging ports here. And then over on this lamp as well. Each bed has its own separate light. You can turn the lights on. And then those are operated by the switch. And then this is the best part. We get to see the beautiful view of the top of the lobby palace. The palace lobby. It's not too bad. Overlooking Biloxi. You can see other casinos out and about. That's called the, that's the bay. There's an island runs between the ocean and the backwater. We're on the other side. And then that's further down. You have your full-length mirror. Now this one also is an adjoining suite apparently, but we're closing that. Separate closet, the ironing board, the microwave in the closet. Why do they put a microwave in the closet? I wouldn't put anything in there. And then we just have a standard bathroom, shower head. Standard bathtub, shower. Of course, all the fun little doolollies and everything. That is room 804.
804.
Sorry, forgot 804. We just assume this is working because I flipped the phone.
This is our home away from home for the next 2 nights.
Woo! All right, guys.
See ya.